How to be super affiliate and make the most money with only 11% effort. Technique number 1. Be a bum. Unless you've been hiding out under a rock for the last several years, bum marketing is the number one pick for a lot of beginner and advanced affiliate marketers. Basically, the bum marketing technique is about authoring articles on your niche topic and posting them to article directories. These articles get scooped up by the major search engines like Google high in the search results related to your keyword choice. Technique number 2, blog and ping. These days, everybody has a blog. So, if you've been hiding out under that rock again and don't have yourself a blog so far, you had better get going over to WordPress.com or Blogger.com and get yourself a free blog. But before you thrust up just any old generic blog, consider your purpose for it. Is it to market you? Is it to market a certain product? Is it to provide info on one certain niche topic? Is it going to be a news blog? A review blog? Pick your purpose first, then go and produce a blog. The idea comes first, then the blog. As the visitor scans and likes what he or she is reading, they'll naturally click on your links to recommended products/offers, etc. Technique number 3, emailing. Goes without saying, email goes way back and is still the most beneficial way to promote any direct marketing offer, even though it's getting harder to pull off successfully. It takes practice, and beneficial email copy will help your affiliate marketing efforts many times over poor email junky copy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Residual Knowledge TV.